sautéing my mixed vegetables and spinach. Now we are going to prepare grilled vegetables and roasted vegetables. So we are going to combine our vegetables together: tomato, zucchini, green pepper, red pepper, yellow pepper, and onion together, and we marinate them. Then after, we will separate them, one for grill and another one for roasting. Let's start with tomato. Remember, using a 3-container system, we trim our tomato. After trimming, so we are going to cut them. So cutting our vegetables for grilling, you can use any shape you want to use, depending of the recipe you are going to prepare. Then I move to courgette. Then I move for sweet pepper, also any shape you want to use. And for green pepper, also the same shape you want to use. Then for onion, also any shape for the onion. So now you can see I have very beautiful color combination of my vegetables. So then now I'm going to marinate them. So just put 200 grams of chopped onion, 100 grams of chopped garlic, and 60 grams of white soy sauce, 150 grams of olive oil, seven grams of white pepper, 6 grams of aromat, 7 grams of salt. Then I have to mix it well mixed. Now my vegetables are ready, marinated, and ready to go in the oven and ready to be grilled. This can take time, maybe 1 to 2 hours in the fridge, or you can even marinate it overnight. So for mise en place. Then now I'm going to roast them and grill them. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take half of marinated vegetables, then put on the tray. So, but before I have to graze my tray, grazing with the olive oil. Then at least I put a half mixture of my vegetables. Now it's ready, so I have to put them in the oven. So remember, vegetable has to be crunchy, not overcooked. 10 minutes to 15 minutes will be done. So for grilling, you have to make sure your grilling pan is ready for grilling. So the most grilling temperature, it's above 180 degrees Celsius. So otherwise, if it's not above 180, the product or any item we are going to put on a griller is not going to be browned. So before I grill my vegetables, I have to grease my griller with olive oil. Then I pour my vegetables. See, the smell is good. The flavor of vegetables are really nice. So grilling vegetables also needs to be crunchy, not overcooked. You brown them and make sure it remains crunchy, not overcooked. So just 10 minutes to 15 minutes, your vegetables can be ready. So depending the temperature you have on your griller. So grilled vegetables can be served when it's hot. It can be also served when it's cold. If grilled vegetables is going to be served when it's cold, we just remove from griller, we put them on the tray, then we put them in the fridge. Then we can serve these vegetables as a salad. So we can serve them like salads, but it can be served also when it's hot, like as accompaniment for starches, for meat, and for any other recipe. Now my grilled vegetables are ready. I can serve them, ready for service. Okay, so after roasting my marinated vegetables, now we are going to serve them. Roasted vegetables, it can be also served as salad. So we can serve them cold. We can serve them hot for main course, for any accompaniments. Be careful. The tray is hot. It's very, very hot. It can be also served as individual portion or for regular service like buffet. So the lesson of sautéing, grilling, roasting of vegetables, it's over. Thank you for watching my lesson. See you for the next lesson.